Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, Gold, USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD, and as we all know, there was a sharp fall on the chart on the price of Euro dollar yesterday, and during the last hours of the Friday, there was a huge volatility in the market, especially on gold and the Japanese yen pairs. When there was a news came out that the USA is expecting that Russia will be attacking on Ukraine, and that is a big event, big global crisis. Because if Russia attacks on Ukraine, then uh, there will be pressure on the stock markets around the world. There will be food inflation. There will be sharp rise on the prices of oil. Okay, so there will be huge impact on every sector of the world. Okay, and there will be a huge turmoil as well. So as a result, there was a sharp up move on gold because gold is considered as a very safe investment option during any crisis around the world. So when the news came out, gold started flying. Okay, and people were looking for the answers on DXY, but no, it was a complete news driven market. Okay, and Euro USD also saw selling. There was a big red candle, and somehow Euro USD managed to settle or close above the 200 moving average. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY, this is a daily chart. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that we were hoping that market will be bouncing from the present level. Okay, because when DXY was falling, we expected a bounce because this was a clear swing trade. Okay, swing trading market. We were hoping that DXY will bounce, and we can see that as per our expectation, market has bounced as well. So if if this would have been a normal market under normal market circumstances, okay, we could have easily expect a good swing from here. Okay, but right now we cannot be too certain what in which direction the market will move, because see, whenever there is a battle between the fundamental factors, okay, fundamental factors and technical factors, fundamental factors always win. So we cannot be certain right now that market will be going up, and this market will be going up to complete the swings. We are not sure, but yes, we can hope that yes, market will be going up or something of that also. Okay, so what I'm saying is that, okay, be flexible, my dear friends. Being a trader, you must be very flexible. Most probably you are also expecting that dollar will be going up from here, dollar will be recovering, but you can see there is a global crisis around the corner, so we cannot be too sure. In case there is a fall also, you must be ready for it. Yeah. Right now in the 4 hour chart, we can see that the resistance of 96.20 is still there. If market, okay, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the resistance of 96.20, then yes, dollar will be bullish again, dollar will be on fire, dollar will be back on track, because this is the only good resistance for dollar right now. Okay, so 96.20 will be important for DXY. And now let's talk about the chart of Euro USD here. So Euro USD last traded price 1.31345. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. So after the market opening, there is a possibility that the Euro USD will try. Okay, Euro USD will try to reverse from the present market position here. Okay, but in this market condition, I think that taking a buy position simply on the basis of the 200 moving average is quite risky. Okay, if you want to take some risk, okay, you can take a risk of 1 to 2%. Okay, 1 to 2% of your trading capital, and you can go for it. Okay, otherwise I'll suggest you not to take any position on Euro USD after the market opening. Okay, let the market open, let the market settle for a couple of hours and just observe the market and see. Okay, if you see that by the US session, New York session, if you see that market is really trying to take support here, DXY is also not going up. Okay, at that particular point of time, yes, you can take a buy position here. Okay, but if the same selling pressure continues on Monday as well, then obviously, my dear friend, you must be very careful. Okay, and you should take a sell position. Okay, where do you take the sell position? You should take a sell position below the 200 moving average. Okay, and we have the Fibonacci 50% retracement around 1.1300. Usually Fibonacci 50% is a good level on for the forex market, but if again something bad news comes up and it becomes a market driving news news driving market. Okay, so there will be pressure and there will be good selling on the Euro USD again. So I will request you as of now, let the market open and just see how the market is reacting, because things are not normal right now. Okay. So if you see market trying to bounce from here, market taking support nicely, then go for a buy. Otherwise, okay, otherwise be prepared for a sell again, because market will be going down. And as I showed you on the chart of DXY, that DXY has taken support and trying to go up. So if DXY completes the swing or tries to complete the swing, then obviously there will be pressure on Euro USD and we will see fresh selling on Euro USD. But as of now, keep in mind Russia, Ukraine. Okay, that's a huge news. So to be honest, not much levels to discuss here. Okay, 1.1300 is important. And lastly, I would like to talk about this level. Okay, this level may act as support. 1.1265. This level may try to act as support. 1.1265. Okay. If market comes down to this level, yes, we can hope for a bounce, and for day trading purpose, at least we can hope that market will try to bounce. At least I will look for a buy in this level. Okay, I will look for a buy in this level here. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. If it breaks it, then again there will be fresh selling. I don't think so that in the first half we will be witnessing this kind of selling pressure in the market. Okay, I'll be coming down on Monday as well and to discuss what should be our strategy and all. Okay, so as of now, let's keep our fingers crossed. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.